Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to retrieve data from our table. In our previous tutorial, we have seen how to insert data. Once the data is being inserted, we often need to retrieve that data. So, to retrieve data, we will use select query, which is select. After select, we have to type the column name or the set of column names which we want to retrieve. If we write a star or asterisk, that means retrieve all the columns. Then from. After from, we have to type the name of the table from which we want to retrieve the data. In this case, it is users. So this is select star from users. Now let's execute this query. As a result, you can see the result set and it has retrieved the information from the table users. Suppose we want a specific column to be retrieved, we can specify that. Select username from users. Let's execute that. It will just retrieve the data of username column from the users table. It is often helpful. Let's say we want to retrieve the username and ID and not the password. For that, we can use select ID, comma, username from users. Let's execute that. As we can see, ID and username as we specified here is being retrieved. So this is how we can retrieve data from our table. Thank you.